Hello guys, myself Himanshu and welcome to another episode of Tech News by Paperclip. Considering the good sales of iPhone SE and iPhone 11, Apple is considering to mass produce the iPhone 12 series. But here's the catch. The iPhone 12 series won't contain any accessories in the box. The iPhone 12 won't come with a charger, won't come with a headphone, and not even a lightning port cable. There will just be a device into the box. So iPhone 12 series will come with four variants. The first will be the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max. The main reason why iPhone 12 will not include any accessories in the box is because Apple will be going all 5G with their iPhone 12 series. The 5G modems that are embedded in the phones that cost way more. So iPhone is also considering reducing the price and launching their iPhone 12 series at a lower price than their 11 series. So that's the main reason why they are considering to not include any box accessories. So yeah, that's the main reason why iPhone 12 will not come with any box accessories, that is the charger, the headphones and the cable. So the iPhone 12 will be launching at a lower price than their previous model. Are you still considering buying the iPhone 12? Obviously you do have to pay a lower price, but you still have to pay extra more for the charger and the headphones if you don't still have them. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.